Life cycle of guinea worm. During its life, guinea worm completes its development by alternating between two hosts, crustaceans, copepods, also known as water fleas, human beings. Steps of its life cycle are: guinea worm larvae are found in fresh water, where they are ingested by copepods of the genus Cyclops. Within the copepod, the larvae develop to an L3 stage, within 14 days. This is the infectious stage of larvae. When the infected copepod is ingested by a human being or a mammal, by drinking unfiltered water, the copepod is then dissolved by stomach acid and dies. This causes the release of larvae into stomach. Larvae penetrate the host's stomach and intestinal walls, to enter the abdominal cavity and retroperitoneal space. There, they mature and reproduce by mating of male and female adult worms. Fertilized female worm migrates to the surface of skin. Almost a year after the infection, the female worm causes the formation of a blister on the skin surface, generally on the lower extremities. When the blister ruptures, the female worm slowly emerges from the skin. Over the course of several days or weeks, this stage causes severe pain and irritation to the host. When the host, in an attempt to alleviate the pain, submerges the affected body part in water, the female worm releases thousands of larvae into the water. These larvae are ingested by crustaceans, and the cycle repeats all over again.